old men with salt and pepper hair, you know. It's good to have. So
wow. He went there. Oh my God! Did you just feed Jesse? How does it feel to be out of a job? Oh shit! Amazing.
Gonna be cutting this guy's hair.
Yeah.
He wants to kind of have me show off for everybody, so I'm gonna do a skin fade.
Tell me, how did you get into barbering?
I knew at a very young age that I didn't want to go to college or school. I was like, I need to be in a career where I'm moving around and I'm socializing. I can live anywhere and I can dress how I want and this and that. Beardbrand was definitely a part of it. I became fully invested in Beardbrand and hair cutting videos, and I'd watch them for hours. And I was like, this is something I want to learn. That would be great to, you know, break out some clippers and learn how to cut hair.
all right, Dad, what are we doing today?
Okay, son.
Make it obvious that, you know, this isn't my aunt, this is my dad.
But yeah, ball skin fade, and just, you know, go short, a little bit longer as you get to the front. But basically, the way it looks now, just shorter.
How high up do you want the fade? Middle, low, high?
Let's say middle.
Middle. I'm just gonna take everything down with the 2, and then, you know, do the 1 and the 0 and all that, and then we'll go from here and scissor the rest.
The shop that he's at, which is Shave and Grace in our hometown, he's probably cut my hair, I want to say about 4 or 5, at least 4 times, maybe 5 times now, since he's licensed. He basically approached me one day and he said, you know, listen, Dad, you know, I really don't think I can go to college. I don't think that's an option for me. You know, I like the trade school. There's a lot there, you know, and I think I want to, you know, I'm loving the beard stuff. You know, I'm loving the hair cutting. It seems to fit with my whole vibe, you know, my whole style, and I just thought, you know, I thought that was great. I thought that was great news. It was
my coming out moment.
I was relieved. It really was, and he just recognized that about himself early on and made that decision. So that's the path he's on, and I think it's a great path. It seems to suit him well.
I hated beards, man. I hated that I had to shave at first every week, and then every day. Then I met my wife, and she was into beards, man, and like she made me embrace it. Finding the perfect barber is it's like marriage, man. I stick with that. It's like marriage. It's hard finding somebody that you trusted, you know, a place that you enjoyed, and dude, Chris is incredible.
Yeah,
he's incredible.
You're walking in here looking like an extra in Jurassic Park.
So he's saying that because he wants my hat.
I get lucky tonight, man.
Right?
Who knows?
Dude, we were doing the mullet forever, man.
I don't know forever. You know, my wife is not gonna be happy.
Yeah.
So I take back the statement I said earlier.
So what do you want to do, man? What are you thinking?
We're cutting it off, man.
Oh shit.
We're cutting it off.
All right.
Yeah.
What do you want to do on top?
You know what, man? I trust you, man.
Okay. I know you're a newer dad. Something manageable up here, nice and symmetrical.
You know,
but like tight sides for sure.
You got it.
Should I just go like right down the middle?
Just go down the middle.
Bam! I'm just sort of cutting your sides down to a manageable length so I can start doing my fade work, man. Oh, dude, it feels so wrong. It's been there for forever. Tell your wife I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm not afraid of change when it comes to styles, and I'm not afraid to do something different when it comes to styles. And, you know, Chris and I have had this talk in the past that, you know, I trust him, man, when he does my hair.
So what's your YouTube channel about?
Best MEDC, it's everyday carry, knives, wallets, pens, flashlights. I don't know, my entire adult life, it's just, oh, my hair's a little long, time to go get it cut, and I go to whatever's closest. And then the beard has just been what it is. I should probably trim it a little more, but.
Is this the longest it's been?
No.
Okay, you've had a longer beard before?
Yeah, probably had it about, you know, to my chest. I think it's just gonna wash and style my hair because I don't want to touch it. It's been growing for a while, but the beard definitely needs a trim. Maybe I can learn how to style it myself.
Brand new shampoo bowl. Hold on, give me a sec. All right. Yeah. Trying to grow it out. What prompted this goal?
I used to have longer hair when I was in high school, and I don't know, I just got tired of trying to deal with my hair shorter. I want to try it long, you know.
Yeah. And how do you style it currently?
I wear a hat every day.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I used to style it every day. I had like an undercut, and then I got kids and stopped doing it. Kids will do it to you, man.
I imagine it just slicked back casually.
Okay.
Nothing like Christian Bale, American Psycho, not like super business class. I'm a fan of, like, I just took my motorcycle helmet off. I just took my cowboy hat off. It just works so well with like the curls and the longer length.
Cowboy vibes from
So
me.
we're gonna do a more manicured version.
Okay.
Of that. Yeah, I can't believe Brzezinski's over there, man.
No.
He's finally sitting across from us.
It's hard not to feel insecure next to him, right?
Been waiting long enough.
Dang.
Look at that guy.
He wakes up looking like that, doesn't he?
Yeah.
What's good about salt and pepper hair is that if you do mess up or go a little deeper, it hides your mistakes. So people old men with salt and pepper hair, you know, it's good to have. So
He went there.
he's got a good head of hair for this kind of thing.
I have very kinky facial hair, like really kinky facial hair. So it was tough to deal with until Greg Brzezinski did his video on using the roll brush and using heat, like using a blow dryer on your beard. If you use a blow dryer or any tool for that matter on your head hair, why would you not use it? Why would you not use it on your facial hair? So.
Yeah, man, I'm blow drying my pubes off.
Hey, whatever works.
Yeah.
Whatever works.
That's the only place hair grows on Jesse.
Oh,
That's Beardbrand.
You haven't seen my nipples yet, man. Oh yeah, the nipples too.
That's Beardbrand X-rated. That's the other channel where we fade pubes. Yeah.
after hours. So that combination of the utility bomb with the video, with the tutorials, start really putting some focus on it and realize the potential of the beard. Like, wow, I could do a number of things here between the product and the technique, and this is great. Now I'm actually kind of considering going a year. You only live once, and so I'm thinking of doing the year.
A lot of people make fun of my stance when I'm cutting hair. This is my focused cutting hair stance right here. Don't look at my dirty New Balances. These are my beaters.
How does it feel to be out of a job?
He's got a lot of hair, super strong. We pretty much just need an extra run with the clipper back here, man.
No, I'm happy you said that, man. A lot of hair.
Oh, you got plenty, bro.
Dude, when I was 12 years old, man, I think I told you this before. When I was 12 years old, man, I was at a styling salon, and the stylist, the first thing she told me, "Oh my God, you're gonna be bald."
What?
Do you know the consequences of that statement to a 12-year-old for the next
10 plus years?
And I'm 37, man. 25 years now. The fear of going bald. Yeah, I appreciate that comment, man. Like, a lot of hair. I appreciate that.
We're gonna jump to the top, trim that down. Like I said, we're gonna do the symmetrical thing, and then I'm gonna switch to clipper over comb and blend the sides in with the top. All right, we're going tight on the sides. He's got double swirl, man, going on back here. Was one here and there's one over here. Gotta keep those cowlicks tight back there with this style, man.
What? Oh, dyeing it blonde?
Oh God.
When was the last time you did that?
Never.
Never? Wow.
My skin tone, I'd look like a vampire.
Them guys from Game of Thrones.
Oh yeah, Targaryens.
Yeah, them, or the other ones, the dead ones, the winter guys.
Oh wow, thank you.
We're gonna start out with a little bit of a styling balm here. Styling balm is gonna be for hold and to just give some more structure to the curls. It's not gonna flatten out the curls because that's not what we're looking for. It is just gonna keep them a little more organized. So to get some utility balm, which you're familiar with. Simple Smoke. What's your scent at home, Old Money? You were saying earlier, right?
I've got both Old Money and Simple Smoke.
Now this utility balm is gonna add a little bit of shine and a little bit of greasiness, but that's exactly what I want with hair like this, man. It looks so good. Extra nourishment as well. nice healthy shine.
He wants it short to long. So I want to make sure that when I'm cutting it, I don't take too much off in the front, and I slowly kind of go from short. And my guideline is going to start small, and as I work the back of your head, I'm going to make the guideline more and more and more down to your scalp. Right. Not make you bald, but
I'm already bald. But
take enough hair off. So you just want to make sure everything's all evened out.
sea salt spray changed the game too for me. Never even knew, it was funny, I never knew something like that existed, and started using it. It's especially good for really stubborn hair, and I have a few stubborn areas on my head. Sea salt spray, better than gel, wax. You throw some heat in there, and it just locks it. It locks it into place. It's great. Is that Carl Morawski? Holy crap! Are you kidding me? I just started following that guy. That guy's amazing. I love that guy.
You know when my dad talks high pitch, that's when he's really excited.
I love that guy. I love that guy.
When he goes into Mickey Mouse, that's how you know.
I got a little giddy. I did.
Taking off the, as I call it, the lettuce. Clean it. Shaving off the lettuce. Actually, he calls it the lettuce. I got it from him. Just style your hair. We're gonna wet it, get a little damp, and then we're gonna take some of the Temple Smoke styling balm, about a dime quarter amount, rub it in, put it through, and then we're gonna style it the way you want.
I don't think you even need the blow dryer.
I don't think so either.
I think we're good.
I'm liking this look we got going on right now.
What are you thinking about for the beard? What do you?
Let's get it down a little bit.
Okay. Don't need to take it completely off?
Nah.
Okay. Save that for another video?
Well, I think my wife's gonna be pretty pissed about listening to mullet tonight. So let's leave the beard for next video, I guess. But for my daughter too, I'll be confused about it.
I know we were talking about letting her cut it off, man.
Hey, we should do it.
Not in a licensed barbershop, of course. Never will we let a 2-year-old wield the clipper. We'll just turn the camera off, man. That's all good. Thomas, cut that out.
To be honest, man, I would love to see her reaction when she's seen me without a beard, but she was like a month old.
Oh, okay.
So she hasn't. Did you ever come across I guess either a beard or a haircut in which you kind of hit a wall and had to be creative into how to cut it?
Oh my God, man, that's every haircut, dude. Really? Sometimes it's really super straightforward, but
now
barbering's just custom work, man. Blending all your hair together to the shape of your face. So I'm gonna grab the styling balm that you know and love.
Yes, I do. It's the same one I use. Old money.
You got a fair amount of density here. So I would just sort of throw it in, mess it up, lay it down, spike it up in the front. It's your world, man.
What do you
do?
think?
Whatever makes you feel good.
What do you think? Another 20 years of full set of hair? Give or take?
There we go. It's a little Temple Smoke, man.
Nice.
I'm just admiring some of the new packaging there, man. It's pretty sick.
Really, that's sexy, man.
Right, dude?
Yeah, I feel like I can't go long hair, long beard, and I start to look a little Grizzly Adams. I need to trim it up a little bit. But yeah, I just can't go no beard because as we were talking about earlier, I look like I'm 12.
The biggest thing you want to do right here is why we want to bring the neckline up a little bit is to give you your chin back and slim up your face. So we want to tuck this line up behind the chin, and it's not losing a lot of beard, it's just helping for the optics of that straight on silhouette. Okay, how long have you been doing your channel for now, man?
About 4 years.
4 years. What's the subscriber count?
I'm about to trip over 300,000.
Do you got one of those clocks in your office? Subscriber counters is just ticking away in your face, man?
I'm so basic.
I know, I'd be looking at that thing nonstop, man.
Bro. Oh, I about fell asleep.
Hell yeah.
Oh, can you put that towel back on?
Some utility balm in the beard, but I like doing this a little more weighty, curly look.
Motorcycle cowboy.
Motorcycle cowboy. I'd be a motorcycle gangster, dude. Come on. Just right here. I don't want perfect brush lines, so after I comb it and brush it, I'm just gonna go in with my hands, kind of break it up just a little bit.
It's special. It really is special. Like you raise a child, and you have best hopes and dreams for them. So when you see them find something, find a path, it's rewarding, you know. And then to travel here at the Beardbrand headquarters and then sit in a chair in the shop and have him cut my hair it's special.
It's always great coming back to Beardbrand. Every time, and I go home, my wife's excited about the haircut. So she knows it's gonna be something different because she knows that I'm confident enough to trust the person that's with the razor, with the clippers. So she's excited to see every time I get a new haircut, see how it's gonna be, because it's always different.
It was quite an experience. I mean, most of the time I come in to get a haircut, pop my hat on and walk out, but this time, like, it was an experience. You know, straight razor, and I don't know, it felt good. Come to the Beardbrand Barbershop and get the straight razor with a hot towel. It's phenomenal.
Speaking of fragrances. What about it? Speaking of fragrances. I haven't gotten to smell it myself, but just from the people I do know have had a chance, they said it's their favorite so far.
Dude, it's great. It's great. That was the one that I was like, dude, that's exactly what I was looking for. They nailed it. So
I can't wait to try it out, man.